Please subscribe.
The 2021 Kia Optima marks another period for the Korean brand, and another face is the perfect start for one of the automaker's most famous models. The 2021 Optima is longer, lower, and more extensive than the car it replaces and will be accessible with all-wheel drive. A few motor choices will be accessible for the Optima, which is known as the K5 in different markets, and may receive that name in the US, despite the fact that its vague what number will land in the US when half and halves are considered along with the blend. The two motors affirmed for the US are both turbocharged and one highlights in the Optima GT. At the point when it goes at a bargain, the Kia Optima will contend with moderate-sized stalwarts, for example, the Honda Accord, Toyota Camry, and even the Hyundai Sonata, which is precisely identified with the Kia. Kia hasn't yet said the amount it will cost, however it's probably going to cost more than the active Optima's $24,115 beginning cost. Style and execution. Restless like an Eddie Murphy joke at family Christmas supper, the Kia Optima is more keen, meaner, and tenser than the active rendition, which didn't look terrible either. The new Optima's mark, like the related Sonata, is its lights that cut around the sides and into the honeycomb grille. Kia's grille here is increasingly hawkish here, underscored by wrinkles in the hoods that point toward the vehicle's nose. The Optima's hood lines are along the body sides, like the active form, and meet beneath the windshield cowl at a glitch intersection in the vehicle's just awful look. The body sides are etched with an overwhelming twist at the base to outwardly bring down the vehicle further. The Optima's old skimming roofline has been grounded, in any event, in many hues in the new form. A chrome strip running the length of the roofline comes to back around toward the back window in a solitary highlight that goes about as a corona. Around the back, a short decklet and full-length back taillight range the storage compartment. Kia will offer the Optima with up to 19-inch wheels on GT variants, others will have 16, 17, or 18-inch wheels accessible. Kia hasn't yet said what powertrains will be accessible in the US at the point when the vehicle goes at a bargain, yet the K5 Optima will get an all-wheel drive framework, a half-and-half variation, and an energetic variation. The 2021 Optima will land with in any event two Turbo 4 motors, incorporating a Turbo 4 in the GT that makes around 286 torque and will inspire the vehicle up to 60 miles per hour in 6.6 seconds, as indicated by Kia. A 1.6-liter Turbo 4 that makes 178 horsepower will be the base motor. Those motors will move through 6 or 8-speed programmed transmissions, including another 8-speed double grip programmed in the Optima GT. Front-wheel drive is standard on most vehicles, while all-wheel drive will be accessible. Solace, security, and highlights. The 2021 Optima rides on a wheelbase longer by 1.8 creeps than the active 2020 Optima, which should make for a progressively roomy vehicle. The active Optima offered simply 35.6 creeps of backseat extra space to move around, not exactly the Accord and Camry, yet 15.9 cubic feet of freight room, which is liberal for its group. Kia says the new Optima's inside is moderate and on a level plane structured, yet the incorporated touchscreen of the car has been supplanted with an accessible 10.3-inch touchscreen mounted over the atmosphere controls in the middle stack. A 12.3-inch computerized instrument bunch faces the driver, and an accessible 8.0-inch head-up show includes one more screen. Material: engineered cowhide, or calfskin upholstery is washed in inside, encompassing lighting in the K5 Optima, and the scramble can be done with metallic or wood surfaces. The Optima will be outfitted with discretionary and standard well-being highlights including programmed crisis braking, dynamic path control, vulnerable side screens, versatile voyage control, and an Encompass C-camera framework. The Kia will incorporate a remote stopping highlight, in spite of the fact that it's hazy if that will be accessible in the US. Kia hasn't yet said what trim levels will be accessible in the 2021 variant, in spite of the fact that it's probably going to follow a comparable rhythm as the active Optima, base, S, X, SX, and GT adaptations. Notwithstanding upsized touchscreens, head-up show, calfskin upholstery, and greater wheels, the Optima will offer propelled well-being highlights, a voice acknowledgement framework, premium sound by Bose, and route. The 2021 Kia Optima will land in the US from the get-go in 2020.